Hey guys, I hope you guys doing a good, having a good day today. I want to talk about something really important for those of you guys that, by the way, my name is Ali. On this channel, we talk about making money online. If this is something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and continue on watching. The offer that I have for you guys is absolutely incredible. I don't want you guys to take this lightly because the person that's offering the training is a billionaire right now. And he started out from zero, and in his training he gives out all the secrets that you'll ever need to be successful online. And one thing's really important is the shiny object syndrome is where people jump from one offer to another, and they just want to try this, want to try that. What I recommend for you guys, I'm guilty of it myself, but I want to tell you guys to not to make the same mistake that I made, falling for that trap, because sometimes you think this offer may be better than this offer, or this guy's got a different idea. What you need to do is pick one thing and stick to it. If you remember Steve Jobs, when he got ousted from his company, he was asked to come back because the company collapsed and the shares were like plummeting. And when he came back to Apple, he looked at what they were trying to do, and they were trying to focus on too many things, and that's why they failed. You do not want to do that. If you focus on too many things, what's the word? If you go after one rabbit, you cannot catch any rabbit, or something like that. I don't know what it is. Something. I'm not exactly sure. But the point is, you need to focus on one project and perfect it, and put all your energy into it, and stop jumping around from one thing to another. Because I am guilty of it too, and I'm beginning to realize when I go back to the basics and focus on what actually has made me money and made me successful is one offer. So do not jump around and go from one thing to another. This guy spent decades and millions of dollars accumulating the knowledge that he has, and he's willing to give it to you guys at a very low cost. And even when he does charge, he does offer money back guarantee 100%. So it's like it's a win-win situation. You can just come in and learn from what he had to say, and if it doesn't work for you, which I doubt that will happen, as long as you implement everything that he offers in the training, you'll definitely start seeing success, and you'll be able to quit your 9-to-5. So I'm gonna get off. I want this video to be really short, but I really hate to see people waste their time chasing success and being trapped in that shiny object syndrome. Checking this, checking that, checking this. Don't do that. Don't do that, guys. Just don't do that. Just focus on one thing. Follow successful people and model what they do, and you will be successful also. I wish you guys the best luck. I'm going to get off, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Leave your comments below. I want to know what you guys think about my videos, if I should talk about different topic, or specifically discuss something really specific. Anyways, whatever part of the world that you're from, I wish you guys the best luck, and believe me, success doesn't have to be that hard if you have the right mentor. The link's going to be below. Click the link below and get started today. I love you guys, and good luck. Believe me, it's not that hard if you have the right mentor. Have a good day. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.